You've watched your salad greens grow. Now you're ready to harvest. The optimal time to harvest is when your greens are within cycle days 20 and 30, or when the plant is between 10 and 14 centimeters in height. There are different varieties of salad greens. Your pod pack contains romaine lettuce, baby kale, and baby leaf lettuce. For a larger harvest, we recommend harvesting the entire pod. There are 2 harvesting techniques you can use. The first technique is to snip individual leaves for a small, continuous harvest after at least 14 days of growth, or when the plant is between 10 and 14 centimeters in height. Take your harvesting tool and at the base of the plant, cut the largest outermost leaf. Continue harvesting towards the crown, located in the center of the plant, until there are at least 3 or 4 small leaves left that are 3 centimeters or less in height. We want to leave this new growth for next week's harvest. Another technique is to cut the entire plant for one large harvest after at least 21 days of growth. This technique is called the cut and come again method. Gently wrap your hand around all of the leaves. With the other hand, use your tool to horizontally harvest approximately 2 to 3 centimeters from the bottom of the plant's crown. We want to make sure to preserve these small leaves for regrowth. Things to keep in mind. We recommend not harvesting more than 3 times, as the plant's flavor will increasingly become more bitter. Also, harvest before the plant begins to bolt or want to produce flowers. If the plant grows tall and flowers appear, harvest for a tasty and colorful addition to your salad. Then, use the cut and come again harvesting technique. Happy harvesting!